So you might be in a situation where your fingerprint sensor on your particular Samsung Galaxy phone isn't necessarily working that well. Now, if it's not working at all, the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that you're inputting your fingerprint in the right area in which your phone is supposed to be unlocking it. So on most Samsung phones nowadays, you're supposed to go ahead and hold it in a certain area of your display, like here somewhere. But if it doesn't work, you can always go and check your power button as well because it might be embedded there. You can try cleaning off your display or cleaning off the power button and trying to see if that is a way to go and fix it. You can also try checking your fingers. Like if you have a band-aid on your finger like I do, that's not really going to work out. You're going to have to take it off or, take off your gloves or something like that in order for that to work. So try doing that. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is try to restart your phone. So go through, hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your device, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. So find your particular buttons you would to basically power off your phone. You want to go ahead and click restart, or you can just power it off, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. So try doing that, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it, which it might end up doing. If that doesn't work, you might want to try going inside of your settings application right here, scrolling down until you see software update, and then going through and downloading and installing the latest update available for your phone. So try updating your phone. That can also be another really easy way of kind of fixing this problem as well. And if that's not working, you might want to go back and try re-adding your fingerprint sensor into your device. So go ahead and find that option, go and find security and privacy and try re-adding your fingerprint sensor into it. And that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.